Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm sitting here making some Easter envelopes for my family, and I want to first, before we go any further, have a shout out. And I'm going to shout out to Nancy, Michelle, Lynn, Joyce, Nikki, Rockstar, Deborah, Maybelline, and Judy. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, my daughter and I and my granddaughter had a brainstorm. I told them that I really wanted to do something different and special on my channel. This is what we've come up with. So, you know, we've all kind of had a very different life since the, and we all need to be uplifted. So, I would like to introduce hashtag Cathy's Sowing Happiness. And this is how it works. Every week we're going to have a video, and it's going to be entitled Cathy's Sowing Happiness. And I'll make some form of ephemera or whatever that I make for Happy Mail. And then in the comments below the video, if you wish to participate, you tell me what form of spreading happiness you're going to do for the week. Then the next week I will have a drawing out of the people who told me what they were going to do or what they have done to spread happiness. I will have a drawing from those comments off of the video of that week before, and I will pay it forward and send the winner of the drawing Happy Mail. That's right, I am going to send Happy Mail. So you could only win once, and at least in a certain amount of time. We'll see how many people want to join and participate. This is brand new. We'll work out the kinks. But right now, in the comments below, like in the comments below this video, right here, because it's going to have a title, and the title's going to be hashtag Cathy's Sowing Happiness Junk Journals. It will say junk journals on there. You do not have to do anything to have to do with junk journals. That's really not what this is about. It's about sowing happiness and making people feel good and being good to each other. So you just have to figure out what you want to do, and then comment below and tell me what that act of kindness is. And then you will be in the drawing for that week. And then I will draw the next time I have this hashtag Cathy's Sowing Happiness. At the end of that video, we will have a drawing, and that person will receive Happy Mail from me. Oh, I find this so exciting. I am so excited. I could hardly wait. We were shopping, and I could absolutely hardly wait to get home so that I could tell all you guys about it, and so we could start this, and I could do my little video, and I don't know, I'm just beyond words so happy to tell you about this. I don't know, I just think it sounds like such great fun. Absolutely spectacular fun. So I hope you think it sounds like fun too, especially when y'all get a chance to receive happiness. Oh, so much fun. It's a win-win situation. I'm making these little envelopes, and I'm going to put a little gift card inside my envelopes for my family at the Easter table dinner, on our Easter table dinner, I should say. So, making these up, and I thought, what a perfect opportunity to start this on Easter Sunday. Oh my gosh, you guys. Easter Sunday. All right. So here are my adorable envelopes. And I really hope you would like to join me. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I am so trying to build my channel, and I'd love you to join our family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.